Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. So today we're going to take apart that block, get it ready to go to the machine shop. There's going to be a cameo by Noah because he wanted to see exactly what I was doing. So without further ado, let's jump right into that. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know. I'm going to fast forward some of this because it did take me about an hour and a half. So let's get started. Enjoy. Alright guys, sorry to interrupt the middle of the video, but I'm sure you're probably wondering how come the block, once I loosened all these bolts off, the half of this didn't come off, the top half of this didn't come off, and it's just because I have this bolted on the bottom, this bolt and that bolt, and then on the top this bolt and another bolt on the bottom, so that way this doesn't completely fall off. Not to mention the fact that as you guys can see there's a gasket sealant right there, so I mean I've got to pry this apart anyway. But so far this looks pretty good on the inside. I'm just cleaning it up because some of those metal shavings that from when I had to do this, got into the oil pan because the oil pan was open. So I'm just cleaning out anything that got into the bottom of that. So that's where we're at now. Let's continue. Hey Noah, look. Oh, okay. See all that right there?
Yeah.
All of that went into the motor right there. You know what this is?
Yeah.
What is it?
A motor.
Well, it's part of the motor. It's called a piston.
A piston.
A piston. And those right.
This is the car.
Yeah, this is my car. You like my car? All right, guys. So as you can see, the block is apart. And it will go to the machine shop on Monday or Tuesday. But what I am most happy with is, look, if you can see here, just the cylinder walls are so ridiculously clean on this block. You can still see the crosshatch and things like that, which is awesome. And then you take a look at this crank here. This crank is in such great condition. It's still going to need to go to the machine shop because I am going to have the crank balanced. And then you take a look at the bearings here. The bearings all look brand new. These are for the mains. These are for the rods. And hardly anywhere on the mains. It doesn't even look like the mains are worn at all. And then you can start to see a little bit of wear on the rod bearings. And you got to remember, this block had 75,000 miles on it, and it looks good. So hopefully the machine shop will be happy with how it looks, and then we can go from there. I'm outside, it's raining. No, I don't have the corona, but you know, I might get the pneumonia if I don't go in the house. So yeah, that's where we're at. And then obviously we've got all that stuff. I don't know that stuff. I gotta check. I know I gotta bring the main caps to the machine shop as well. Pistons, not new ones, not the old ones, new ones. The old head gasket. The ARP head studs and main studs to Groton, and probably have them do a line bore as well. So that's where we're at. Let me know what you guys think about the video. I did shoot the video for how to install the thrust bearings. It's like a 2-3 minute video, just because the one I originally did like a year and a half, 2 years ago, was about 16 minutes long, and it should have only been like 2 or 3 minutes, and I didn't start actually showing you until like 6 minutes into the video. So this is a makeup. So let me know what you guys think about that video as well. I'm gonna go in the house now. Definitely like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay safe. Keep practicing social distancing, unfortunately. And don't cough in anybody's face. Stay 6 feet away from each other. So until next time, like, share, comment, subscribe, and make no limitation your only limitation. We're getting there. Oh, this is gonna be a beast, son. Peace.